Now we're ready. I'm going to show you some pictures of words that the initial sound is S. Initial means first. So if you've ever seen your initials, my initials are L, H. Lisa Hawkins. L is for Lisa. That's the first letter, the initial letter in my first name. And H is the initial letter in my last name. So if you've ever heard that before, someone says sign your initials, that's what they mean. Now I'll erase that. This is a graph. It's called a circle map. A circle map helps us brainstorm ideas. In the middle is the main idea. What's our main idea? What letter did we just learn? S. S. I'll show you a picture. You tell me what it is, and I'll put it in our circle map, and then I'll write the word below. What does that look like? If you said snowman, you're right. Who likes to build a snowman when it snows outside? I do, but I like to make little teeny tiny ones. I'm going to write snowman. What's the first letter in snowman? The initial letter. S. S. I'm going to sound out the other letters. We haven't learned them yet, but some of you might know them, so you can sound out all the sounds you hear in snowman. S. O. N. Snowman. Let's look at another picture. What does that look like? Strawberries. I love strawberries, especially in a smoothie. Put strawberries right here. I'm just going to write the word strawberry for one, just this time. What's the first sound in strawberry? What's the first sound that comes out of my mouth? S. What says S? I better put strawberries because there's two. E's. What are these? You put them on your feet and they get stinky sometimes. Socks. I'll put socks right here. Help me sound out socks. What's the initial sound in socks? Socks. Socks. How about this? If we look up in the sky and there's no clouds, we see the sun. What's the initial sound in sun? S. What letter says S? So I have sun. Uh-oh. What's this little critter? A skunk. Do they smell good? No, they stink. P-U. Skunk. What's the initial sound when we first say skunk? S. What's the letter? S. Skunk. Stinky skunk. Ooh, what's this little creepy crawler? A snake. Just like Sammy Snake, but I think Sammy Snake is a happier snake. Now, snake. What's the initial sound? S. What letter says S? Snake. Snake. Ooh, what kind of food is this? It's my favorite thing to eat. I could eat it for breakfast, at lunch, at dinner. I love spaghetti. I love spaghetti. What's the first sound, the initial sound, when we say spaghetti? S. What letter says S? Let's write spaghetti. I'll write it right here. I wrote the words on the back just in case. Spaghetti. Two more. What shape is that? Star. Oops. What's the initial sound when we say star? S. What letter says S? St. R. Last one. A very fun piece of equipment on the playground, a slide. Slide. What's the initial sound when we say slide? S. What letter says S? Slide with a silent E. Now I will say the word and you will say it after me. Ready? Say S. S. What sound does S make? S. Good. Say snowman. Strawberries. Socks. Snake. Spaghetti. Slide. Star. Skunk. Sun. What letter did we learn today? S. What's the sound for S? S. Nice job. I'll show you one more time how to write our letter S because it's going to be your turn to write it. Capital S starts at the sky. Say it with me with your best pointer finger pointing to the tip of my marker. Ready? Go. Curve left, curve right. S. Lowercase s. We start at the fence because it is short. Say it with me. Best pointer finger, straight arm. Curve left, curve right. Now it's going to be your turn. We sent home some papers in some clear plastic sheets for you. You just need to get a binder, a 1 inch, 1.5 inch binder to put them in for safekeeping and to keep everything together. The first page we have are the hand signals for each of the letters. So when I go to S, let's see, LMNOPQRS. For Sammy Snake, there are the directions right there. So if you don't remember, you can look and reference it there. And it's S. Now we have the alphabet. We need to skip, that's another S word, all the way to the letter S. I'll show you how to do your binder today. With one of your dry erase markers, put the lid on the back so you don't lose it. That's a good place to put it so it doesn't roll under the floor and maybe your kitty cat gets it and takes it away. On these sheets, it has the direction to remind you how to write the letters. And I want to tell you now that we don't draw letters, we draw pictures. We write words and letters and numbers. So this is the letter S. You'll start just like I did up here, and you'll curve left, curve right. There's blank spots here. That's for you to practice by yourself. Curve left, curve right. Take your time. I might go a little quicker because I've been writing my S's since I was in kindergarten and it's been a long time since I've been there. So I'm an expert letter writer. Here are your capital S's. Curve left, curve right. And it has dotted lines here to help you with the direction of how to write them. Down here, you see the lowercase s. Lowercase s is short. It starts at the fence. Curve left, curve left, curve right. You'll have blank spaces to write a couple more lowercase s's. Then down here you have some dotted lines to help you. Curve left, curve right. After you're done, get a sock or a tissue. Erase it. Do it one more time. I want you to practice writing your letter S 2 times. When you write it, I want you to try your best to say the letter name and the sound like this. S, 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 S. How many times are you going to write it in your page? 2 times. Write it, erase it, write it one more time. Have fun!